Hi my glamorous viewers, today I'm creating this look for you guys. It's a day makeup, so you can wear it any time you go out for a day event, or you just went with your girlfriends or whatever. It's a day makeup, that's all it is. And for this video I also have a very nice attractive giveaway, so don't be stingy, just watch until the end of the video. And you know what is the drill. You have to subscribe, you have to give a thumbs up, you have to share the video and put a kissy sign on the comment section to get eligible for this giveaway. I will announce what is the giveaway at the end of the video, so keep watching this part. Anyway, I just thought it's you cannot give a kiss sign from your phone, so I'm not sure, so it's better to be safe side, just give a heart sign. And by the way, I just put the primer, the soft ochre, on my two lids, and I touched it with my finger to see it's too tacky or not. It's dried enough. So today I am using another new palette. It's Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I have all her palette except I think one which is Emergency palette, and it's not in the market anymore anyway. So this is a very interesting palette, and I'm gonna describe it later on why it is so interesting. So let's do the day makeup. I'm gonna put it's a very simple, very simple makeup. I'm using the pencil from Tom Ford. It's number 13 brush, and using Wild Child all over my eye. As I said, it's a very simple makeup. No halo, no cut crease, no transition color, nothing. Just a simple look. So as you guys see, just one color. I just saturated it properly. No transition color, no cut crease, no halo makeup. So now, just to give a dimension, I'm gonna use the Dose of Color pencil brush, and underneath my eyebrows, you can find my brush. Yes, I got it. This one, and this is called Base, from the palette, the same palette, and just underneath my eyebrow. It doesn't have any glitter or any shiny, just a matte color. I love it, and just brighten up a little bit. I know it's all over my face, this pink shade, but we'll see how I clean it later on. On the corner of my eyes, I will be using same pencil, cleaning up a little bit. Same pencil, it's called Summer, the color. For my outer corner, I'm using a little bit of drama, the color drama, and that's what I'm looking, but it's a day drama. Just a little bit, instead of dragging it outside, and bringing it towards to my inner corner side, but not all the way here, just a little bit here, just to give a definition. See what a difference it makes. Wow. So I'm going to use that Tom Ford brush again and take the Wild Child color and just try to blend it a little bit more. I kind of running I didn't took any color, whatever left over on the brush. I'm just gonna blend it again with this one, and I'm gonna clean my brush like this, so, and just nothing in the brush, and dust it off everything, hug each other. With the brush, this is BH125. Pick out the powder what I had. There you go. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara. This is from NARS Jumbo Brush. I'm not very fond of Jumbo Brush, but I like the texture on it, but I don't like at all the since this is I'm trying to do a day makeup, I'm not gonna put an eyeliner, but I'm gonna put like a liquid eyeliner, but I am gonna do inner liner definitely, because without inner liner I look like a fish. My same favorite brush, Bare Essentials. It's a very, very small brush, very, 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 very old. So no number, nothing. It's an eyeliner brush. It's very controllable. It listens me. Wherever I command it, it stays there. I already applied my lip pencil, but I use, as you all guys know, my favorite mix, and I put it very dark, and I like the dark lip pencil, but sometimes I show my lip pencil, sometimes I don't show it. Depends. And lipstick, it's a good look. It's a tough choice, but in the daytime definitely we don't want to put darker lips just because it's a day look, so that's why I'm using a very light lipstick. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's called Kiss. I just put my hair up very simple with a little bit of glittery. This is so cute. Look at this, those beads on my hair, and that's it. This concludes our day makeup look. So I just put my falsies and put a little sweet bubble thingy on my hair. That's it, and that is it. I am sure you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give a thumbs up. And glamorous viewers, my humble request that please support me and share this video and suggest me how I can improve, what else you guys wanted to see. And until my next video, oh, by the way, I forgot to mention what is the giveaway. A full-size MAC liquid lipsticks and Cowboy the glitter. I always use my makeup, the glitter eyeshadow. This is a glitter liner, eyeshadow, whatever you want to apply. This is amazing. I cannot live my life without it. So most of the time you see that I'm using this, but I'm going to give you the golden color one, this color, and one liquid lip stain. And don't forget to comment in the comment section with the heart sign, and I will choose the winner, and then I will announce it. So until then, goodbye. Stay glamorous. I love you all.